Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix USB not showing or not recognized in my computer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if your USB drive is not showing up or not recognized, here's a few ways how to fix it. So you got some basic fixes here. So try another USB port or PC. So plug the USB into another port or different computer to check if it's working. Restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart fixes detection issues. And then third, check for physical damage. So yeah, inspect the USB drive for any visible damage that might be interfering why your USB is not showing up. Check in disk management. So if the USB doesn't appear in File Explorer but is detected by Windows. So what we can do is press Windows plus the X key and select disk management. Look for the USB drive. It may show as unallocated or not initialized. If it's unallocated, right click the drive, click new simple volume and follow the setup. If not initialized, right click the drive, initialize disk, choose MBR or GPT. And you might need to update or reinstall USB drivers. So press Windows and the X key and then select Device Manager. Expand Universal Serious Bus Controllers. Find the USB device, may have a yellow warning sign. Right click it, update driver, select search automatically. If that doesn't work, right click the USB device, then uninstall device and restart your PC. Assign a drive letter. So if the USB is detected but not showing in this PC, so open up disk management, Windows plus X key, disk management, right click the USB drive, change drive letter and paths. Then click add and assign new letter, click OK. Or we can try disable USB selective suspend. So press your Windows plus R key, type powercfg.cpl and press enter. Click change plan setting next to your power plan. Go to change advanced power settings, expand USB settings, USB selective suspend setting, disable if both battery and plugged in. You can also check for hidden devices in Device Manager. So open Device Manager and then click View, show hidden devices, expand serial bus controllers and then uninstall any faded out devices. Restart your PC to fix it. You can always format the USB drive if detected but inaccessible. But keep in warning, formatting will erase all data. So we can do this by open disk management, right click the USB drive, click format, and then you can either choose FAT32 NTFS or exFAT, then click OK. We can also use the Windows troubleshooter, so you can go to settings, update and security troubleshoot, scroll down and click hardware and devices, and then run that troubleshooter. And if it's still not working, you can try a different USB cable. So if using an external drive, check BIOS settings, USB ports enabled, and you can also use a third-party recovery tool like EaseUS or Recuva if data recovery is needed.